What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick install. It's basically a follow-up video for the Stiffler bar install. Burnout Bobby from the ruck shop reached out to me because the way it comes, you can't put a rear diffuser on, rear splitter, tank splitter, with the bolts that come with it because they're too low to the frame. So basically they sent me spacers and longer bolts so that I will be able to run the rear frame splitter, tank splitter, whatever you want to call it. So let's just jump right into it. All right, if you guys are wondering why I have all these clamps here, is because I have to take basically one of the bolts out completely and then one of the bolts almost all the way out to get the spacer in there, so to keep the frame from collapsing. That's the idea I came up with. Good. Remember, these bolts need Loctite, so make sure you put Loctite on these. Even if it's just a tiny little drop, it's going to keep these bolts from backing out. And my Loctite's all frozen because it's like 20 degrees here. Well, my idea worked with the clamps, so that's a good thing. Get this bolt in a little bit. This was an awesome idea, and I'm really glad that Burnout Bobby reached out to me with this idea. Just hope I can slide my splitter under there. Should be able to. We'll see. But this was one of the reasons why I was hesitant to even buy this piece, because, you know, you spend all this money on, if you already bought a splitter, you could spend, like, what are they, $40 or $50, something like that, $40 or $50. You know, that's a lot of money to spend, and then take the piece off and it just sits in a box somewhere. Before I even tighten this down too much, I'm going to make sure I can get the splitter on here. Yep, should work. That is cool. That is really cool. Get these suckers tightened down nice and good. Oh yeah. Let's get this splitter on. That's really cool. Put a little drop of Loctite on here. Just a tiny bit. even. And that was really awesome. Stiffler bar and a rear frame splitter. That's cool. All right, let me show you guys what this looks like. That looks a whole lot better. Definitely. That's cool. There's the spacers. Very cool. So if this is something you guys would be interested in, I would probably reach out to the Ruck Shop, because I don't think this is something they carry on their website. But I'm sure if you ordered the bar, they'd probably throw it in for a couple extra bucks. Tell them you've seen it on my channel. Appreciate all you guys. Appreciate everybody that subscribes. Appreciate anybody that just watches. That's about it for this video. Appreciate everybody stopping by, hanging out with me for a little bit, doing this quick install. Hope you learned something. If you had to take your frame bolts out, now you know you can use some type of clamps or something like that to keep your frame together from it collapsing on you. That's the last thing you want. But until the next time, peace.